So today, beautiful skin begins with Estee Lauder. I'm super excited to be partnering with Estee Lauder on this campaign, as well as LookFantastic. I'm looking forward to seeing you all's feedback when you purchase these products because you're going to absolutely love them. As you know, I've been an advocate of Estee Lauder from a very long time. I started off using their skincare products many years ago. I've done dedicated videos to Advanced Night Repair. I will leave the link to that video down below, bringing the science behind that. And I've also talked about the Super Pomegranate Nutritious line, which was one that I was using forever and always got amazing results. And a lot of people have always asked me, what is it that I'm using on my skin? There are so many wonderful products under Estee Lauder. I've also given you a dedicated video on the truth behind Estee Lauder, the lady, the visionary of this wonderful brand. And I'll also leave that video down below. So without further ado, beautiful friends, let's get glam. All right, so first up is the Perfectly Clean Multi-Action Foam Cleanser. This is also deemed as a purifying mask. What I love about this is that it richly lathers and cleanses my skin, and you can use it for 3 minutes to really purify the skin. This is for normal or combination skin types, but it works well for all skin types as well. You can use it morning and night, and what I love about this is that it does not strip my skin. It is dermatologist tested, is ophthalmologist tested, and it is one of Estee Lauder's top proprietary cleansing products. All right, and next up we want to go after an essence or a toner. This would also help our products to penetrate 2 times deeper into the skin. What I love about this is that it is for all skin types. This is for those who lack vitality to the skin. You want something that's going to help dryness and dehydration. This is going to be that. One of the key proprietary ingredients in this is the Bifida ferment lysate. We hear that a lot. This promotes natural skin repair and skin strengthening, and we all need to rebalance our skin. All right, and next up is the Advanced Night Repair Intense Reset. I've talked about Advanced Night Repair Chronolux CB technology. This is the sister to that. So I have a dedicated video on that serum. I will leave it down below. What's great about this, it's giving you 24-hour hydration, really great humectant, sodium hyaluronate, aka hyaluronic acid, holding up to 6 times its weight in water. What's also great about this is there is your tripeptide 32. We need peptides to really bring a revitalization to the skin, affirming to the skin, and really helping to eliminate the look of fine lines and wrinkles. You want to press this into the skin and really enjoy this product during the nighttime when skin is at optimal repair time. All right, friends, and next up is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Sheer Longwear Foundation. This is weightless, it is a sheer matte, and it's non-creasing, it's non-caking. This is 12-hour wear, but I also want you all to be aware that there is the chemical filter octinoxate in here. This is for all skin types. It's dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested. It is oil-free, and there is no fragrance in here, and it's free from your phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, and all synthetic colors. What's also great about this foundation is that Estee Lauder gives us the undertones, C for cool undertones, N for neutral undertones, and W for warm undertones. The color that I'm using in this video is actually 7W. This also differs from Double Wear in that Double Wear is a full coverage foundation. All right, friends, and next up is the Double Wear Concealer. You all know that I've been using Estee Lauder for a very long time. You can see my previous videos on it, and this concealer is the absolute favorite. This color is 5W, but I'm going to compare it to my 4W that I already have. I love to brighten my brow bone with a concealer as opposed to eyeshadow. I do that often. So we're going to use the 5W, which is 1 shade lighter than my skin tone that was sent out to me, just to show you all the finish of this one. In my previous videos, I've done it with the lighter concealer, so if you want to check that out, you can. Now, the great thing about this concealer is that it is 24-hour wear. It is also one that does not move around. It is
transfer resistant, color true, and it's medium to buildable coverage. This is also humidity resistant, and for those of us who don't want anything that's oily, this is oil free, it's fragrance free, it's dermatologist tested, and it's non-acnogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores. So what I'm going to do here is use my foundation brush just to blend this into my skin tone, just for you all to see. Again, I love using a concealer as my brow bone highlight. I think it looks more natural as opposed to going in with an eyeshadow. Now, if I want this to be super duper bright, then I would use my 4W. But I really do love the finish of this for an everyday look. This is a really nice color. Under the brows, we want to use a color that is 1 to 2 shades lighter. All right, friends, and to finish off the look, I'm going in with one of my favorite colors from Estee Lauder. This is Rebellious Rose. I've showed this in previous videos. This is a cream lipstick that helps to sculpt the lips. It is medium to full coverage, and this is a mid-tone rose with a neutral undertone.
We are more than a beauty company. We are a brand powered by our people. All 80,000 of us. We are individuals who bring a unique perspective. We are inventors of the future of beauty. We are global citizens who care for the world we live in. Together, we are the Estee Lauder Company.